Okay, part two. Let's see what's actually in here. And here we go. You gotta forgive me, I'm not using the tripod on this video. So, I ask that you will bear with me. And let me open this up. It doesn't matter if it rips, because I'm not gonna keep the box in y'all. I'm just trying to get it open. But it really don't matter. Okay, let's see what we got in here. What comes with it. I'll pull this out enough. Wouldn't be a video without a freak show. Let me see if I can do it this way. Alright, anyways, here's the mouse. Office Tech mouse. There's the nano receiver. Okay. Again, more information about the mouse and the manual. Also, information about the keyboard. And then here's the keyboard. Alright, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's my new keyboard and there's the mouse that go with it. And this has been part 2 of this video. And of course, there's no part 3. I'm not going to show it working. You know what a keyboard looks like when it works. Alright, it's just a replacement. Okay, so there you go. Because the keyboard I have at work is wired, and I want it wireless. So this set right here, I'm going to take that set to work. And then this will be the set for here at the house. Alright, thanks for watching. Again, more videos to come soon. More unboxings. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. I'm trying to do different content. God bless you, and gone.